Good day, everyone. Our team is going to analyze a manufacturing firm that aims to reduce cost but is currently facing several challenges. So, can someone explain to me what is the problem? Okay, Miss Renalyn Muhana.
So the company allows too much employee freedom and decentralized decision making, which results in inefficiencies, inconsistent processes, increased waste, and declining profit margins. In terms of cost issues, the company experiences high production costs and material waste and lack of proper budgeting. On the risk side, there is inconsistent product quality, poor decision making, lack of accountability, and potential financial losses.
Okay, thank you, Miss Muhana. And let's proceed to my next question. So, what is structure uh, that that is present? What kind of structure that's present? Okay, Miss Judy Orion, you've raised your hand.
Yes, the structure present in this company is decentralization, organizational structure. This means that decision making is spread across different employees or departments instead of being controlled only the top management. Because of this, employees are given more responsibility and involvement and making decision making, which can help and encourage uh, flexibility, faster actions, and new ideas or innovation within the organization. So, while decentralization can encourage flexibility and innovation, in this case, it leads a lack of coordination and inconsistent process because there is no strong control system in the workplace. And now the talking. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Miss Orion. So, my next question is, um, what strategy is intended to solve the problem? Okay, Miss Rosana Adahar.
The intended strategy of the company is cost leadership. This strategy focuses on the minimizing costs to offer products at the lower prices compared to competitors. However, there is a mismatch between the strategy at the same structure. Cost leadership requires efficiency, standard standardization, and a strong control. But the company's decentralized system leads to the opposite, which is inefficiency and higher costs.
So is that all? Okay.
Yes.
Let's proceed to the next question. Um, what uh, can you recommend any structural and financial control improvements? Okay, Miss Kapukaw. Miss.
So good afternoon po. To address these issues, I recommend improving both the organizational structure and financial controls. First, the company should adopt a more centralized or hybrid structure to ensure better control and coordination. So it should also standardize processes and clearly define rules and responsibilities. Second, in terms of financial control, the company should implement strict budgeting, monitor expenses regularly, and focus on reducing waste in materials, time, and labor. That's all po.
Okay, thank you. Um, for the last question, can someone answer the implementation steps? Okay, Miss Jacqueline Gabor.
So for implementation, the company should follow these steps. First, review and analyze current processes. Second, set clear cost reduction goals. Third, train employee on standardized procedures. Fourth, implement a budgeting and monitoring system. And fifth is to conduct regular performance evaluations. So to measure success, the company should use key performance indicators such as cost per unit, waste percentage, production efficiency rate, profit margin, and budget variance. That's all.
Okay, thank you. So I have a very short comment about our discussion for today. So therefore, the company's goal of reducing cost is not achieved due to weak control and excessive decentralization. By aligning its structure with its cost leadership strategy and implementing effective financial controls, the company can improve efficiency, reduce waste, and increase profitability. So, thank you everyone for joining our discussion for today.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Kana... wait lang, wait lang.
Nagseryoso na ba
Wait
yung
lang.
makatawa?
Ang mahanap, yapon ko.
Sige na.
Ay, mali.
Mahuman yun dan eh. Okay, Miss Renalyn Mohana.
Again. Go.
Ayun lang siguro i-open yung mic ba?